Hi friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make duck egg curry in traditional way, which will be very tasty and can be enjoyed with hot steamed rice or even with pulao or roti. So friends, let's get started with this yummy duck egg curry recipe. So here I have taken 5 duck eggs which has been boiled, and now I'm going to peel off the shell and then mix slits in them and rub them well with some salt and turmeric powder. Next, heat some mustard oil in a karhai, and when the oil is hot, we will add the duck eggs which has been rubbed with salt and turmeric powder, and we need to fry them till they turn light golden brown from all the sides. The duck eggs has been fried well from all the sides, so I'm going to take them off. Next, I'm going to fry 2 medium sized potatoes which has been cut into this shape and size, and now I'm going to season them with some salt, a pinch of turmeric powder and some red chili powder, and I'm going to fry them till they turn deep golden brown from all the sides. So the potatoes are also fried and time to take them off. And now we will prepare the duck egg curry. For that I will add some whole spices like 1 bay leaf, 3 small cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves and 2 green cardamoms. Next goes 1 large onion which has been thinly sliced, and we need to saute them until they turn golden brown. Once the onion starts to turn brown, I'll be adding 2.5 tablespoons of onion ginger garlic paste, and we will fry them until the raw taste of onion ginger garlic goes away and oil starts to separate. So by now the onion ginger garlic paste has been fried well. Next I will add 3 whole red chillies. If you want, you can slit them also. And now goes 1 large tomato which has been finely chopped, and we will fry the tomato well until they are soft and blends well with the onion ginger garlic paste. And now I'm going to season this with half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or Zeera powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or Dhaniya powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix everything well. In this duck egg curry, cumin powder and black pepper powder are the main spices. And now we will add the fried potatoes. And we will cover and cook them for just 2 minutes on medium flame. It's almost 2 minutes. Let's check once. So the masala is well fried. And now I'm going to add some hot water to form a gravy or curry like consistency. Mix everything well. And once the curry comes to a boil, we will add the fried duck eggs. And now again we will cover and cook them on low to medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. It's 6 minutes now and our duck egg curry must be almost ready. The consistency of the curry is just perfect. Finally, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder and some chopped fresh coriander leaves. Give this a mix. Now increase the flame to high and we will let the duck eggs simmer in the curry for just 2 minutes. That's it. Our duck egg curry is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our yummy duck egg curry on the serving bowl. Enjoy this delicious duck egg curry recipe with hot steamed rice or pulao or even with roti. So friends, I hope you will try this duck egg curry soon. Also share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.